How to fly FPV drones in Minecraft? Well, it's pretty straightforward. You just download CurseForge, create a new profile. You have to pick 1.16.5 for the mode to work, because developers didn't update the mode. You wait a few seconds for Minecraft to do its thing. And then you click on Add More Content. You search for FPV mode and you install Minecraft FPV. You do not install FPV military drones because you are not a weirdo. Hit play and wait. In this menu you toggle your mode pack. For me it's MC FPV. You hit play and Minecraft will once again load some stuff for you. Once you get into the game, you go into options, controls, FPV, and you set up your controller as shown. For me the setup was really easy. I'm using RadioMaster Pocket, and if you follow the instructions you can't really make a mistake. You can see you have to center your sticks, move your left stick to the left, move right stick to the right, toggle some buttons. Clearly, if you follow the instructions, you really can't make a mistake. Like, it's easy. If you know how to fly drones, then you know how to set up this simulator. Here it asks you if it's working. If it isn't, you can see it's not. Okay, now this is the most crucial step, believe it or not. You just have to assign an arm button. Just toggle whatever button you use for normal drone flying. Just for me, it's the top left button that I use for arming, and that's it. That's the whole deal. You are done and you are ready to go and fly. Once your game loads up, you can hit I and go into settings. Go to rates, set up your rates that you normally use in Betaflight, actual rates, it doesn't matter. I recommend opening Betaflight, copying your rates from any drone and just pasting them into here. Once you are happy with your settings, you can hit done and hit drone build, and here you can set up your drone. These are the settings that I use in other simulators like Lift Off, Uncrashed, GTA 5, which is really fun, you should try that out. If you don't know your drone settings, you can just copy mine. I fly 5" 4S, which is underperforming, so yeah, I highly recommend it. For props I'm using peanut butter jellies from Ethics. You know that guy with the mustache? That up and coming FPV pilot? Yeah, those props. You can set up a lot here, like frame width, antenna length, is hero cam. You can even change the color of the camera, I don't know. Like if you see any difference you can tell me in the comments. Okay, and have fun.